Welcome to Nova Building Maintenance. Today we are going to show you a short video on our industrial cleaning process, which we provide for some of our industrial clients. Your service may or may not utilize all of these steps depending on your type of property and specific service required. So let's get started. Step 1. Area prep. We begin by moving and removing any large debris, garbage, and items from the floors, which allows us to perform the work properly and avoiding any damage to property. Step 2. Initial sweep and wash. We perform an initial sweeping and washing of the floor to prep the floors for chemical spray and soak and avoid any damage to scrubbing equipment. Step 3. Floor chemical spray and soak. We spray the entire floor with heavy-duty industrial chemicals designed to break up hard-to-remove stains, oils, spills, and allow this chemical to soak in for approximately 5 to 20 minutes, depending on the condition of stains. Step 4. Hand floor brushing and scrubbing. Our team then begins by hand scrubbing hard to reach areas which the floor machines can't reach to ensure we scrub and clean as much of the floors as possible. Step 5. Machine scrub and brushing. Once the chemicals have soaked and we then begin scrubbing the floors with our floor scrubbing machines, making pass over pass until stains are removed or diluted in the chemicals. Step 6. Power washing. We then wash the floors using your internal facility hoses to remove all chemicals and dirt into your floor drains, or to an area outside of the facility. If hoses are not available, we can use our own power washing equipment, which we can attach to water outlets in your facility. Step 7. Floor squeegee. After floors have been washed, our team then begins to squeegee any remaining water left on the floors into your floor drains, or to an area outside of the facility to help speed up drying. Final step, quality control. The final step is where we perform a full quality control walkthrough to ensure all areas have been cleaned prior to us leaving the facility. Thank you for taking the time to watch this quick industrial floor cleaning process video. For information, simply contact Nova Building Maintenance at www.novabuildingmaintenance.com or by phone at 1-888-270-6673.